Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to import photometric models into Blender using Google Cloud. So the first step of bringing in photometric models into Blender is to install the Blossom plugin for Blender. So what you want to do is navigate to this website, and it's free, although they ask for a donation if you can. And then once you've downloaded that, we'll jump into Blender. So once you've opened up Blender, what we want to do is install the add-on. So we go to Edit, Preferences, and go to Add-ons. Now, I've already got it here added in, but what you would want to do is to navigate to where it is by installing from disk. Navigate to where you've saved it and make sure not to unzip the file in downloads. Bring it in, and here it is. So now what we want to do is actually set some preferences. So this includes where you want your outputs to be actually saved. And then what we want is Google 3D tiles, and we want to get an API. So if we click get it. So once you've created an account and filled out all the needed information and credentials, you'll be presented with Google Cloud. So what we want to be looking for is keys and credentials and creating credentials. What this will do is give you a code that when we jump back into Blender, you plug in, and this basically just refers the two to each other to enable them to communicate. The other thing we'll want to be doing is going to APIs and services, and we will want to be enabling Map Tiles API. That's the other thing we've got to do. So once we're back in Blender, we copy our code into this box here, and then we can close preferences. There's usually a small triangle here that you can click out, and it will present you with tools, views, and Blossom. So we want to click on Blossom, and this is kind of our hub. So what we want to do is set this to 3D tiles, source, Google, and you have all these different settings. Now, Whole City is quite broad and a lower quality, and then as you go up, you get better quality. So then you have select and paste. If you click select, I take you to this website where you can zoom in on areas and create a rectangle. Here we go. Zoom in. Let's do somewhere near Melbourne. Let's do Richmond. So then what you do is you show selection. That would be where we want it to be, let's say, and you click copy. Then we take what we've just copied back into Blender. So once we're back in Blender, we hit paste. This will then put our coordinates into this area, so paste, and then we hit import. Now this can take quite some time. This can take maybe 3, maybe 5, depending on the size of the rectangle you created. Okay, so that took about 5 minutes to load in. As you can see here, we've got our area, and let's just swap it over here to a rendered view. Perfect. So that's how you bring in photogrammetry models of any area you want off Google. Thanks.